John from Copperfield has some questions about door choices.
He's shopping at least for a new front door.
Okay.
He's going to replace it. John writes, what is your opinion on replacing a front door made of wood versus fiberglass? Also, where would you recommend getting it?
Well, getting it is Door
I can answer that one. Yeah, Door Clearance Center. Right.
Door Clearance Center. You can go to our website, HomeShowRadio.com, visit their website, and you can see the great prices and the great selection. But you have metal doors, you have fiberglass doors, you have wood doors. They're all good if they're protected and maintained. I don't have a problem with them. I have a fiberglass front door. I just had it refinished not too long ago. Rudy came over, and it looks great, and it's 22 years old, and it doesn't rot or move or warp or anything. So that's a good choice, but you have a lot of choices at Door Clearance Center.
So you'd be okay with fiberglass? Can you? And you,
I got one.
You've described how you make a fiberglass door look like it's wood.
Mine looks exactly like it's wood, and Rudy can do that. He's the one that they literally sanded it down and stained it with a gel coat stain and put a couple of layers of Sikkens product on the top of it to protect it. It looks fantastic.
There you go. So, you got a question? We'd be happy to make an open and closed door case for you. Just go visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. And subscribe to our channel and click the bell, and you'll know when we post a new one.